Hello there and welcome to another video, and in today's tutorial I will be going over how to redeem your Airbnb promo code in 2024. Now if that sounds about right, let's head right in. Alright, so first thing is, if you're looking to get yourself some promo codes, there are of course a bunch of sites that offer this. You can look this up on Google or some other platform and you will find a lot of websites that offer Airbnb promo codes. Now that said, let's head over to a new tab and let's type in airbnb.com/gift. Now this should take you to a page where you can be able to redeem your promo code. All you have to do is input the pin over here and of course click redeem gift card. Now do note, you do need an account for this. As you can see, I currently am not logged in, but if you're logged in, all you have to do is go to airbnb.com/gift, and of course it will take you to this official page where you can redeem your gift card. Just put in the pin and of course click redeem gift card. But first of all, you do need to be signed into your account for you to see any changes. Alright, and that's the end of this tutorial. If this video did help you, do well to leave a like on the video and of course subscribe to the channel for more updates and tips. See you in another video.